Hello guys, we are from group 9 and our topic about decentralization. With our group member Marcela Manarisip, Natalia Rorong, and Christina Umbo. And the main point that we will learn is the definition, the characteristic, the strength and weakness, the purpose, the reason, and the example. Definition: decentralization is the transfer of authority and responsibility for public function from the central government to subordinate or quasi-independent government, organizations, and or private sector. The characteristic of decentralization. First, having delegation of authority from the central government to local governments to carry out certain government function. Second, the local government has the authority to determine and implement a policy. This authority aims to regulate and manage the interests of the region itself. And third, there is an authority in determining and regulating legal norms that apply in general with an abstract nature. Fourth, autonomous regions are outside the organizational hierarchy of the central government. Fifth, the reception of the authority of the central government is an autonomous region where the function of an authority can be detailed or can be referred to as the remaining function. 6. Patterns of relationship between organizations. The strength of decentralization first is the management of the central government because the organizational structure is a delegation of authority. Second is the build-up work of the central government. Third, local government performance is more efficient. And fourth, improving the relationship between the regional government. The weakness. First, the government structure becomes more complex and result in weak coordination due to the large number of government organs. Second, it costs a lot and it is difficult to obtain uniformity and simplicity. Third, the decision taken takes a long time because it will go through a lot of negotiation. Fourth, the existence of territorial decentralization encourages the emergence of regional understanding. The purpose of decentralization. First, improving the social economy in the region. The delegation of authority from the central government aims to enable local governments to develop various programs, including socio-economic improvement programs at the regional level. Second, as a form of local government democracy. In realizing a democratic government, decentralization also one of the efforts made by the government, because the local government will involve the community to take responsibility for the administration of government. And third, prevent financial concentration. The central government will delegate financial management authority to local governments. The reason. Companies decide to decentralization for various reasons including first, collecting and using local information. The quality of decision is influenced by the quality of the information available. Second, focusing central management. By decentralizing operational decision, central management is free to handle strategic planning and decision making. Third, training and motivating managers. Organizations are always in need of trained managers to replace higher level managers who live to take advantage of other opportunity. And fourth, increasing competitiveness. In highly centralized companies, overall profit margins are able to cover the inefficiencies that occur in various divisions. Example of decentralization. First, decentralization in the forestry sector. As a country that has the third largest forest area in the world, inequality in forest management has occurred in the past. This had led to lawsuits over the implementation of centralization, so that forestry decentralization is the solution. Second example is the case of West Nusa Tenggara. Prior to the implementation of decentralization, the government adopt a centralization policy. The policy regulates that every resource owned by the state is regulated by the state by utilizing the provincial, district, and village governments. The third example is regional head election process. The process of electing regional head is also a result of decentralization. Okay, that's all about decentralization. Thank you.